This is my bedroom in the beach house where I've spent so many summers of my life. When we started, the flooring option in the room wasn't the greatest. We've had this simple plywood flooring covered by a rug in the room. Malibu Wide Plank flooring to the rescue. We started by removing all the furniture and accessories from the space. Then finally, we removed the rug. This is what the plywood flooring looked like when everything was removed. Before we started with the project, it was time to clean up, so we dusted the shelving and swept all the dirt and debris off the floor. When we started looking for a new flooring option for this room, we knew that the quality and durability of Malibu Wide Plank flooring made it the perfect solution for the beach house room. You can see the beautiful grain of the wood and the incredible beauty of the planks here. The first step was to attach wall spacers along the wall to make sure the boards lined up evenly. The boards have a tongue and groove design, which makes them so easy to install. We lined up the first board next to the spacers, hammered the board in place with a rubber mallet, and nailed the plank in place. Then we nailed the first row of hardwood planks along the wall as a foundation row for the rest of the room. Now that the first row was installed, it was time to install our Malibu Wide Plank flooring in the rest of the bedroom. Malibu makes it so easy to install the flooring because of the tongue and groove design. At the end of the row, it was necessary to make cuts so the planks fit. We measured the length of the end piece of the planking, then cut the wood with a miter saw. After the piece of flooring was laid in place, we secured it using a tapping bar and a rubber mallet and nailed the plank in place. We made sure to stagger the planks when we installed them. We laid the boards long ways across the room. Here you can see us installing the very last piece of flooring. Next, we installed the base of the threshold that connects the room with the hallway and clicked the threshold in place. Here's the after of the room. I love how it turned out and how amazing the room looks. Choosing hardwoods is such a great option because solid hardwood floors like these are highly durable and water resistant. I chose the Tunitas French oak for this room with the prettiest grain pattern. These hardwood floors can be resanded, restained, and refinished. Now that we finished one of the rooms, it was time to tackle the basement. This is the walkout basement on the bottom floor of the beach house. We wanted to choose a coordinating floor for this space with the rooms upstairs, so we chose the Tunitas Luxury Vinyl Plank. The color is so pretty and the planks are so easy to install. We wanted to use a product like this for the basement because we wanted a waterproof, dent-proof, and stain-proof product for this space. We started by removing all the furniture and accessories from the space, then it was time to clean up. We installed a moisture barrier, and then we attached wall spacers along the wall to make sure the boards lined up evenly. The boards have a drop lock design, which make them so easy to install. We lined up the first board next to the spacers, then you just click the next piece in place at the end of the existing board. Now that the first row was installed, it was time to install our luxury vinyl plank in the rest of the basement. I did have plenty of installation questions, and Malibu Wide Plank answered them right away with their AI Floors Agent. I simply went to floorsagent.com, and the AI agent was able to give me all of the information I needed. It even told me how to take care and clean my floors after installation. It was amazing. You can try it out by going to floorsagent.com. And now it was time to install the threshold. Look at this amazing space now. Can you even believe it is the same room? The rooms that we finished have a new life and a new purpose, and the cohesive design works well with both types of flooring. We added accessories and furnishing that match the flooring, and now the rooms are organized and ready. Look at the difference these floors make in the space. Now the house feels like home. Thanks to Malibu Wide Plank for sponsoring this video.